Hey guys, welcome you all in a new video, and in this video I am going to show how you can unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. I mean to say your phone's forgotten pin pattern and password lock. It means you don't have to visit any service center for any Android. I mean to say you can unlock any Android smartphone by this method, and this method is absolutely free. You don't have to pay a single penny. But before starting this video, you will have to charge your phone at least 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before you start this method, charge your phone at least 30%. Okay. So let's start this method. Before starting this method, you will have to switch your phone on airplane mode. It means your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be switched off. If airplane mode is not coming in your smartphone, then you may also eject your smartphone SIM card at the time of using this unlocking method. Okay, so for start this method, you will have to switch your phone downside and you will get an option of airplane mode. Simply you will have to click on this airplane mode, and when you will activate your phone's airplane mode, you can see here your phone's all the network has been removed. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking mode method. Okay. Now after this, you will have to simply slide your phone upside. Now you can see here this smartphone is locked due to forgotten password lock. Okay, you will have to go with the option of emergency call option, and you will have to open your phone's dialing pad like this. Now I am going to give you a special secret code by which your phone's all the background running applications should be closed, because it's most important to go with this method before you will have to switch off your phone's all the background running application. And this secret code is *##, 999, then *808063, then ###. After feeding this secret code, you will have to call on this secret code. At the first time when you will call, it will give you a pop-up of OK with the OK button. Again, you will have to call on the secret code 3 times continuously. It means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking mode method. Okay, and to go with the master unlocking mode method, you will have to feed a special USSD code, and this USSD code is *#899 and then #. Now you can see here after feeding this number *#899 and # a new page has been appeared, and the page name is engineers mode page. You can see here you will get a lots of option, and all the option have the specific function to modify your phones. Okay, but in this video I will only give you how you can unlock your smartphone's forgotten pin pattern and password. Okay, so sorry, after this you will have to go with the option of a software version which is showing at the 5th number. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this, it will show you your phone's model number. That you can see here the first option is showing here, and the second option is showing here your phone's Android version, which type of Android version is running in your smartphone. Okay, if your smartphone is showing here Android version 10, 11 or 13, then don't worry. Here my smartphone is showing here Android version 12, so I will have to click on this option 12 times. If your smartphone is showing here Android version 10, then you will have to click on this option 10 times. Okay, so I will click here 12 times. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, now the first step has been done. After this, you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page, and you will get another option of manual test which is showing above the software version. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this, you will reach to a new page. But on this page you don't have to go any option. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side, and you will have to reach to the option of others. You can see here others option has been appeared. Now after this, you can see here there are 5 type of options showing on this page. You can see here the first option is screen backlight test, the second option read and important lock test option. But you will have to go with the option of database version, and you will have to continue click on this option 4 times continuously, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the second step has been done. After this, you will have to click on this read write important lock test option, and you will have to feed a special code. Okay, here. Okay, now this special code is *#813 #*#. You can also take a screenshot of this special secret code. Now after feeding this secret code, you will have to go with the OK button, and when you will go with the OK button, you will get a pop-up of wrong password. It means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Okay, now after this, a very last step what I'm going to give you is most important. You will have to follow this last step properly. After this, simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of device debugging option. You can see here. Now you will get an option of sensor self test and calibration option, which is showing at the 6th number. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this, you can see here there are two type of options showing on my phone display. Maybe possible your phone will be showing here one option or three options, so don't worry at all. All the option will be showing their operation not started. So simply you will have to click on this option to start this operation, and you will have to continue click on this option until you get a single test passed message. Okay, so I am going to do his you can see here test has been started. Second option, test has been started, but you can see here second option is showing here a test passed message. It means this smartphone is completely unlocked. Now you don't have to do anything. Simply you will have to go with the back button, continue back, and continue. You will have to go with the back button. Now you can see here your smartphone is completely unlocked. Now you don't have to do anything. And if your smartphone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. And if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this video, then join us our channel. Our team will quick response on your comment with the help of WhatsApp video call. Thank you so much.